This is 2A and 2B notes for Algebra 2. This is the second video for this. Really all I'm going to work on 2A is the special cases. There are special cases that we talk about, and we talked about them in last class, but I just want to make sure you understand about them. So if you ever have an absolute value of anything and it is equal to a negative number, that is no solution. If you ever have an absolute value of anything, this is like there's variables inside numbers, or less than or equal to a negative number. This is also a no solution. If you have the absolute value of any number, letter, terms greater than or equal to a negative number, this is all real solutions. The only other special case that we have is the absolute value of anything. If it is equal to 0, this is the only time we don't have two solutions. There's only one solution to this. So you cannot multiply 0 by -1 and get different numbers. You only have 0. That's not positive or negative. Moving on. All right, 2B. We haven't done anything with graphing linear inequalities. So graphing linear inequalities is pretty easy. We know that the outside you have that's down 2. So it's a V down 2, and that's a down and right 5. So it's down 2, and then we move to that point, right 5, and it's a V. And since it is just less than, not less than or equal to, we're going to draw it in a dashed line. And then, since it is greater than, we shade above the line. If it was greater than or equal to, shade above the line. If it is less than or equal to, shade below the line. If it is less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, it's a solid line. If it is less than or greater than, it is a dashed line. Okay, so graphing this last one. Yeah, up 1, right 4. So up 1, right 4. Get your points. It is an equal to, so it's solid. And then it is, again, it's greater. This one's greater than. So we do shade above again. If it was less than, we would shade below the line. So if it was, let's say if it was less than, so if this was a less than sign, like less than or equal to, we would shade below the graph, below the line. So, hope this helps. Got it under 4 minutes.